Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Purvi's Home Kitchen. Today we will make rice caramel kheer. First of all, wash half a small bowl of rice. Take out 1 spoon of rice separately from the rice. Cook rice in pressure cooker by adding water. Now pour 1 liter milk in the pan. We will grind the 1 spoon rice that we separate in a mixture grinder along with coconut and cardamom and your favorite dry fruits. Add grind paste in milk. Now mash boiled rice and mix in boiled milk. Mash all the lumps. If you want to a normal rice cake, then skip caramelling it. Now add sugar. Prepare the caramel. Take sugar in a pan and cook it, stirring it with a spoon without adding water. Now the kheer has come to a boil. We will add the prepared caramel in it. Cook until slightly thick. Caramel kheer is ready. Please like, share and comment in the video. Subscribe our channel and don't forget press bell icon. Thank you so much. Bye.